Hello, myself Vishesh Bist, and currently I'm working with Collabgenics as an equity associate intern. Working with Collabgenics was such a wonderful and nice journey as they have provided me a lot of skills and knowledge. During the internship, we were provided training in which we have done courses from inSAKE Academy. One of the courses was Research Analyst course, in which we have learned about the fundamental analysis, technical analysis, how to analyze the balance sheet of the company, ratios of the company, and the basic of the stock market. We have also done another course that focuses on our soft skills, other course that focuses on our soft skills like that of the presentation skills, speaking skills, etc. We were also allocated a live project in which we have to analyze the companies that were allocated to us, and I applied the knowledge that I learned from the courses, and also prepared an equity research report on one of the companies that was allocated to me. There were also Friday fun that was really enjoyed during the internship. I'm very thankful to Sandeep sir and Sneha ma'am, Collabgenics team, and all the team members of Collabgenics to provide such a great opportunity to me.